Hey Mary, this is my model of the pulmonary and systemic circuits with the respiratory system. So I have made all of this out of like this kind of like Play-Doh-like stuff we can find here, and I've labeled all the parts. And so pretty much, well, here's the main heart, this part right there, and then we have lungs, and then trachea, all of this. So I'm going to go through it. So here we have, well, blood flow starts here, so it starts at the right atrium. Deoxygenated blood starts in the right atrium, flows to the right ventricle, gets pumped out into the pulmonary artery through the lungs, and then it becomes oxygenated blood, gets pumped through the pulmonary vein back into the heart, and then into the left atrium, which goes to the left ventricle, which then gets pumped into the aorta, which splits into two parts. Well, there's the upper part, and then it goes down to the rest of the body. And then it goes through capillaries. The blood goes through the capillaries. It's used up by the body, and then it goes back up through the inferior vena cava, and then it comes back into the heart where the process starts all over again. And so for the respiratory system, I start up here at the pharynx. This is pretty much where both food and air can go in, so got that part right there. And then we can split here back into the digestive system, or we can go here. We have our larynx there, and then the trachea. Air flows through the trachea, splits in two over here, it splits through the lungs, where we have our bronchi, and then the bronchi split into bronchioles, which then go even smaller into alveoli. And that is where the cells coming in from the heart where the red blood cells can absorb the oxygen, and that's how the entire process works. So yeah, that's pretty much it. See ya.